and gentlemen, Apostle Dr. Paris Kirigo, the indomitable woman, with daughters and sons beyond Africa, graciously presents to you a noble meeting themed The Form Forming the Formless. This will happen in KFA building, third floor, opposite Mango Hotel, I Selassie Avenue, Nairobi town, on 30th of March 2024 from 10 a.m. East African time. Bishop Apostle Dr. Daniel Kwesi will be ministering the timely apostolic instructions and doctrines alongside other ministers. Invite your friends, family, comrades, relatives, and peers to come and experience the power of God.